Hi, my name is Oriel with O Customs, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So, project you're gonna need today is follows. So, grab your items, pause, come back. But some things are optional. So, let's get going. First thing that I do is I have my printed designs ready. I got my holographic laminate sheet, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut it down to size. That's just my preference. Some people use the whole entire sheet of laminate on it, but I usually do something with the scraps for other projects. So you're just gonna cut it down to size. So now you're just gonna take it, if you did decide to cut it and not use the full sheet, you're just gonna take it, look, make sure it fits good. Okay, and then from there, what you're gonna do is you're gonna get ready to peel up just a slight corner of it. You can use a weeding tool, a pen, or if you have nails, unlike mine, you can just go ahead and peel it up and just measure that side, because you want to make sure that when you are doing it, that you measure it to make sure that the side is going to be covered. You don't want any of your photo not to be covered in the laminate. Then you're just going to pull it gently, and then you're going to scrape it down, because what you don't want to do is mess up your laminate or your sticker paper. Otherwise, you'll just be doing it all over again. So now that we have our laminate sheets on, we are going to cut down the sides. So for the back of the design, you cut the opposite side, which would be go on the back, and for the front, you would cut it right side up. So that side would be the clothing. And as you can see right here, what you want to do is you want to line up your design to make sure that your edge is right next to the binding. So even after you peel up the little side, you want to make sure that your design is hanging over just slightly. So that way you don't have any of the white edges where the binding is. So that's very, very important. So before you actually peel it off, make sure that your design will be within those black binding marks, because you're going to line it up to that. So now you're just going to peel off that corner. You're pretty much going to do the same step that you did with the laminate. I like to peel down one half of it. Sometimes I only peel down a corner. And you're going to line it up. Do not let it touch. As much as you can, you're just going to line it up. And then you're going to gently rub down the edges. Do not press it hard, just kind of gently place it there. And then you're going to get ready to pull that sticker sheet. Now, there's more than one way to do this. Feel free to do it the way you want to do it, because everyone has a different technique. But the most important thing is to line it up. It's like measure twice, cut once kind of deal. That way your edges are lined up. So now that you have it all measured and lined up, you feel confident where it's at. Now you can either pull that full sticker sheet out, or you can use that very same scrape and squeegee tool that I used before. But once you have it down, you just make sure you gently rub over it, make sure it's lined up. You see what I mean? It doesn't always come up that easy, and I had to struggle, and then I was like, oh. Now you have to scrape it down to make sure it still looks nice and smooth. So as soon as you see something wrong, pull it up just slightly, so that way you're not too far gone in the process, because it happens, and it happens very easily. So here we go, that part's done. Then we're going to open this up, and then we're going to get ready to start cutting. You can use an X-Acto knife, you can use scissors. I prefer a blade. I'm more comfortable with a box cutter blade than I am with an X-Acto knife at times. And since I use this tool so much, that's the tool I prefer. But you can just go around it and cut it with scissors as well. So there's more than one way to cut this baby. After you're done cutting around all the edges, so what you're going to do is you're going to flip that book over, and then you are going to begin the back side of it. And don't forget, if you haven't already cut it, make sure that you've cut the edge that's going to go against the back binding. Don't cut the other edge off until you get ready to use your X-Acto knife. So it's going to be the same process again, and And just make sure that you really take your time and smooth it out. You don't want to have a messed up look or design. So pretty much same thing again. We're gonna just cut it down. Yes, I sped up the process, but it's the same process. Cut, and go over on your edges. And once you've completed that, you have now completed your first composition notebook. So I hope you found this helpful, and please like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know what you think in the comments and what you want to see next. Thank you for watching.